This session we are going to understand user interface of S&OP Planner. Here, when you click on the Sales Inventory Operational Planning tab, you can see 7 groups. The first one is Admin Group. Second one is Run SIOP Group. Third one is Go to SIOP. Fourth one is SCM Reports. Fifth one is Production Planning Reports. Sixth, Data Unavailability Group. And the final one is Focus. When you click on the Customize Table button, a small panel will be opened. Here you can see our all database headers. And here you can enable or disable whatever header you want by click on this checkbox. For example, if you want to see total order quantity of our customer order, just enable Total Customer Order checkbox. That's it. Now you can see total order quantity in our dashboard. If you want to increase or decrease any specific column width, you can use this with area. For example, if you want to increase width of customer name column, just change it. Right now this is our column width. Once change the width value, click on the Hide panel. Now customer name column width is changed as per our given value. These in tier space for filter option. For example, if we want to analyze Jan month sales order, just click here and select our starting month and end month here. That's it. This is our entire Jan month sales orders. And if you want to see specific customer, you can just type here. That's it. This is our Jan month customer order for specific customer. When you double click on the any header, you can sort based on ascending to descending or descending to ascending. Vice versa. For example, when you double click on the open quantity value header, you can see value of highest to lowest and lowest to highest. Vice versa. This is our bird's eye overview of inventory status, and this is our production planning calendar area. When you double click on each sales order line, we can find entire inventory status of that specific sales order. While click on the Show Shortage button, here you can analyze our inventory status of specific sales order line, like all the parts, only shortage for P parts and only shortage for R parts. From next section onwards, we are going to analysis our sales inventory operational planning.